Things got heated inside the courtroom today in the trial for 18-year-old Kyle Rittenhouse. The 18-year-old breaking down as he took the stand more than a year after he shot and killed two men during a protest against police brutality in Wisconsin. But Rittenhouse was not the only emotional exchange. NewsNation's Kelly Beeson is live in Kenosha tonight. So, Kelly, the judge visibly upset with the chief prosecutor, and now this whole case could be in jeopardy?
You're absolutely right, Marnie. And the judge did not hold back in his remarks today. We do have video of that exchange from the courtroom.
That's right, run.
Kyle Rittenhouse emotionally breaking down as he takes the stand in his own defense. The judge calling for a break, and minutes later, a cross-examination begins.
Everybody that you shot at that night, you intended to kill, correct?
I didn't intend to kill them. I intended to stop the people who were attacking me.
By killing them?
I did what I had to do to stop the person who was attacking me.
Rittenhouse stated he opened fire during the protests after Joseph Rosenbaum chased him down and put his hand on the barrel of his rifle. After that, Rittenhouse testified he shot another man in the street, Anthony Huber, after Huber struck him in the neck with his skateboard and grabbed the rifle. Rittenhouse also describing the encounter with a third man, Gage Grosskreutz, who Rittenhouse shot and injured.
Mr. Grosskreutz, he lunges at me with his pistol pointed directly at my head. So I didn't do anything wrong. I defended myself.
The prosecutor, Thomas Binger, wanted to bring up a prior shooting in which Rittenhouse was there with friends and said he wished he had had his gun with him. The judge visibly upset, saying Binger was violating a pretrial ruling.
I was astonished when you began your examination by commenting on the defendant's post-arrest silence. That's basic law. It's been basic law in this country for 40 years, 50 years. Don't get brazen with me. You knew very well. You know very well that an attorney can't go into these types of areas when the judge has already ruled without asking outside the presence of the jury to do so. So don't give me that.
Now, Rittenhouse is now facing life in prison if convicted on the most serious charge against him, first-degree intentional homicide. Marnie?
Kelly, thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.